Hello, I'm Jay Wald, Print That Thing, and today I want to teach and challenge you to make a 3D printed spinner game. It's very simple and you can spin and play a game. So it's a dare. So I dare you to learn how to make this. So this project was inspired by Blender 52, which is just a kind of like a design prompt that I saw back in January. And one of the words that it asked us to design for it was truth. I had a bunch of ideas, but I thought it would be cool to make a truth or dare game. And this lesson will teach you simple product design and how to make parts that can be 3D printed right off the print bed and then snap together with tolerances. And tolerances, again, are those little spaces in between. So that way you can take the pieces apart and then slide them back together and still have it work. And then the inside is using a 1.75 millimeter PLA, so just the filament. So it's 100% 3D printed. Then we're also going to show you how to make the text at different layer heights, so that way you can get this kind of two-tone color effect, because I know most of y'all probably don't have multicolored printers yet. So this is a quick and easy trick that you can do in your slicer to get multiple colors out of one print. So let's go ahead and dive on in it.